So, what do you think, Aaron?
We're getting some stuff done today.
Yeah. So we've finished a few more items on this list. Today though we're gonna do the install diamond mesh and windshield opening, and then we're gonna do install T-bar too. So we're gonna get that done. Those are the two major things. You know, chain the doors. I can find chain, either weld them or bolt them on. We can buy. I gotta buy a helmet yet and goggles, and then the extra set of rims and tires I have. So that's pretty much done. I'm buying actually 2 tires, so I can actually be somewhat competitive, because these ones are pretty much just bald. So just remove the side windows and then we're good. So change the oil as well. That won't take too long. I think these 2 items that we're doing today are going to be most time consuming. And you think, or not really?
Yeah, probably.
Most tedious. So I'm going to start measuring. Aaron's going to start getting this all mocked up, and I'll kind of just document it as we go. So probably going to be a short video, maybe. I don't know. We'll see when I edit it. But what do you think, Aaron? How's she sounding?
Sounds mean.
Hitting that rev.
Hitting that rev limiter.
Hitting that rev limiter. Bop,
Limiter.
bop, 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 bop.
There we go.
Yeah, we'll get set up here, and then I'll just kind of go through, and we'll just show you what we're doing. So. So you see here, shaving off all the window weld. What do they call that? Window seal? Sealant, urethane. I got the pieces chopped. He's got that prepped. It's gonna be kind of a bastard to cut that thing, I think. Unless you just get your cut-off wheel.
We'll lay it on here and then just cut off wheel it right on.
Cut off wheel it? Okay.
Take that button in case you need it. Oh, that'll be perfect. Once this is out of the way, that'll go straight up right to it.
So, as you can see, we got the T-bar in there. That should pass, I think, wouldn't you think?
Oh yeah, that's the way it's in there good.
So, bar going from the bottom to up to the top, and a bar going across. We couldn't get it quite far forward as we would like, but the shifter's in the way, so what can you do? But it's as far as it's gonna go forward. And we're gonna weld it from the bottom and the top. I mean, we can take it out if you need to. Nah. Okay. So Aaron's gonna grind them down and get it prepped for welding it. And I think this is just gonna be it right here.
In the back or whatever, make sure nothing's on fire. Because we're kind of close to the seat now.
Yeah.
All right, ready? Yeah. Hammer it, go back and forth, make lay really.
This thing auto?
Yeah. fat. Dude, I didn't earn mine that fat. Good to go. That side's done. So there. I think the mold should be fine. Hope I don't die.
Wow, that would suck.
Alright, ready? Yep, front's welded. Almost like a sea high.
So just get in the front of that front, what the fuck is that called? Mesh. Getting the front mesh on right now. Aaron's got it cut and he's welding on right now. Actually making pretty good time on this.
Yeah.
So, got what we needed to get done today. We got the mesh in, all welded up. Yeah, that was kind of, didn't work the best, but it's, I mean, that thing's in there. So, and then we got the T-bar. Oh, got the T-bar in there, welded. That thing ain't, I mean, that fucker's not going nowhere. Not going nowhere. So, let's see if this thing still runs. Oh, yeah. Thing's fucking mint. Idling pretty good now. We need to get some fresh gas in this thing. This thing's gonna be a beast. But so we'll go to the list here. We got that done. What else here? Metal plate the sunroof done. New power steering line done. Install diamond mesh on the windshield done. T-bar done. And remove fog lights, that's done, and chop off exhaust, that's done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things, 7 things to do left. So we got to remove the mirrors, done, and all that, and trim I'll write that on there. And trim. I gotta get all that chrome trim off too. Change the oil. It's not a big one. We'll just put a maybe. I mean, I probably should. I put some synthetic in it or something so it doesn't blow right away. Install drivers. Oh, it's 8. Never mind. Install driver's net. That's a big one. Chain the doors. That's another big one. Buy a helmet and goggles. Need that to race. And this one for sure. I got to do yet. And fiber lock the cooling system. Otherwise, this thing's gonna blow within 5 minutes of revving at red line. So kind of we have like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 8.5 things. So, but yeah, otherwise, pretty much got through a majority of the list, and the rest of the stuff. You can chain those doors, and then buy helmet and goggles. I'll just get some of those. That ain't a big deal. Fire extinguisher is a big one too. I think we're just gonna mount it right to the T-bar, so it's just like right there, and it'll probably just sit right here. I think that's what we're gonna do for that. And then chain the doors. That's not too hard. I've already said that. Fiber lock the cooling system. That's easy. So everything else is it'll probably take us a day to do everything else. I mean, really. I mean, these two is on me, just off camp, you know, just doing it myself. This one easy. This one's easy. This one's easy. This one's easy. I gotta get a driver's net too. Buy plus tires. So I gotta do plus tires. I am gonna put 2 newer front tires on a set of rims. Other than that, I mean, I'm not gonna go for a full set. Fuck that. That's too much. I'd be trying way too hard. The race is, what's today? Today's the 1st. The race is in 11 days. So yeah, well, we'll just say 10 days. It's on August 12th, I think at 1 o'clock at the Bayfield County Fairgrounds. So me and Aaron are going to be there well before then. But yeah, this is turning out pretty good. So on that note, oh yeah, there's one more. Oh shit, there's one more thing I forgot to tell you. We welded the trunk. We were reading through the rules. We welded the trunk shut. They said you could leave it operational, but I don't know. I'll just weld it and be done with it. So Aaron's gonna be filming probably majority of the outside shots. I don't have one GoPro, so he'll probably film one race outside, and then I'll be inside with the GoPro on my helmet. The race that I'll be on the inside, I'll be at the feature race, and then we'll do that. So thank you guys for watching. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe for more. We're gonna be running this bad boy, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. If it lasts through this one, we'll take it through the Ashland County Dirt Dash too. So thanks again, guys. Have a good night. Bye. Or a good day, whatever. See you guys.